Do you want to make a spawn point system like this? Start by adding a spawn point in workspace. This will be your first checkpoint. Now add to folders. Name the first one checkpoints and the second obby parts. Add a part to the obby parts and make your first obby stage. Add a part to your checkpoints folder. This will be your second checkpoint. Name it to 1. You will name each checkpoint in numerical order 1, 2, 3, etc. Now you can make your other stages. Once you're done, make sure the parts are anchored. Add a script in server script service. We first get the player's service and the folder that holds all our checkpoints. When a player joins, we create a leader stats folder so Roblox can track values like stages. This number represents which checkpoint the player is currently on. Every time the player respawns, we move them to their last checkpoint. This runs for every checkpoint and detects when a player touches it. We check that the object touching the checkpoint is actually a player. If the checkpoint number matches the player's current stage, we increase it by 1. Now you can try it out. As you can see, it's working. Now if you were to fall out, it resets you to your last checkpoint. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.